Welcome back. Every day is an opportunity to learn something new. Today, I'll show you something amazing, step by step. Let's begin.
Today, I will show you how to prepare a professional slide presentation that is useful for everyone, whether you are a student, a parent, a teacher, or a working professional. By keeping up with modern technology, you can complete 2 days worth of work in just 1 hour. First, open ChatGPT. If you do not have an account, sign up first, otherwise simply log in. Next, ask ChatGPT to write a prompt. For example, write an AI presentation prompt about floods in Bangladesh. Let's see. Great, it generated a very well-structured prompt. Copy this prompt. Now open SlideMaker.app. Once the website loads, click on Create Your Presentation or Create Slides. It is best to sign up before proceeding. I will use the Continue with Google option to sign in with my Google account. After signing in, you will arrive at the dashboard. Click on Create New Presentation. Paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the topic field. Since we are creating a presentation on this topic, we can choose the slide depth. You can select concise, 6-8 slides, balanced, or in-depth. For this demonstration, I will choose the 6-8 slides option. Select beginner as the target audience. You do not need to configure anything else here, but if you want your logo to appear on the slides, you can upload it. I will go ahead and upload my logo. Now, click Create. Then choose a theme you like. I will select this basic theme for now and click Continue with Theme. As you can see, it has automatically started generating the presentation slides. We do not need to write anything manually because the slides are being created automatically. The best part is that you can easily share this presentation with others. Once it is ready, simply share the link and anyone can view it instantly from anywhere in the world. You no longer need to carry your laptop or computer everywhere. Let's take a look. The slide deck is ready. We can navigate through it using the next button or the arrow keys on the keyboard. Next, 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 next. Wow, this looks amazing. What normally takes hours to create has been completed in just 1 or 2 minutes. Now you can review the slides and edit the text wherever necessary. Your slide design is already complete. You do not even have to write the slide content yourself. Whether your presentation is about floods in Bangladesh or any other topic, simply ask ChatGPT to generate the titles, descriptions, and content for each slide. Then, copy and paste the content into your presentation. If you want, you can add more slides and customize everything to your liking. That's it. If you click Share, select the View Only option, copy the link and send it to your friends so they can view the presentation. They can also download the presentation or click Present to view it directly. It is incredibly simple. Modern AI technology has made creating presentations easier than ever. If you want to save the presentation to your computer, click Export. You can download it as a PowerPoint, Google Slides, or PDF file. You can even export it as a video with transitions and animations. If you want to embed the presentation on your website, simply copy the embed code from the Embed section. Under Analytics, you can view detailed reports showing how many people have viewed your presentation. In Settings, you can enable password protection and customize many other options. Once you explore the platform, you will discover all of these features. Today, I simply showed you the fastest way to create a professional slide presentation. Now you can edit and customize everything according to your needs. Your presentation is ready. I hope you now understand how easy it is to create professional presentations with AI. Many other apps charge for these features, but based on my experience, this platform offers many useful features for free. It is powerful enough for professional work. You can fully customize your presentation here. If you want to change an image, simply delete it, duplicate the slide, or copy it. Click Upload to add any image you like. With just a little exploration, you will quickly learn how to use all of these tools. I hope everyone found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.